class 9 social sciences. Students, as you all know that the syllabus of social science has been changed. So it is divided into 4 books we are having of social science. One is history, geography, democratic politics and economics. So today I will take chapter number 1 of geography, that is India, size and location. So in this chapter we will learn about the size and location of our country. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. ठीक है, बहुत पुरानी civilization है. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. From last 5 decades, there is a continuous process going on for the development of the country. So India has developed in many fields, like in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and but obvious the economic development and overall development of the country. So India has also contributed in the world history. So next, location. Before we study location, I'll discuss with you the few terms, right, which you should know, right. The very first thing we'll discuss is your latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so this is your Earth. It is divided into 2 parts, as we all know, that is through equator, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So above 0 degree equator we are having northern hemisphere, and below 0 degree we are having southern hemisphere. So these longitudes and latitudes, these are imaginary lines which help us to find out a location of a place. Okay, so these are your horizontal lines. So these horizontal lines, these lines are known as latitudes. Okay, so 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, like this. These are the latitudes. These are the northern part. Okay, and the southern part below 0 degree equator, southern latitudes, that is 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, in the same way we are having meridians of longitudes. These are your vertical lines. Okay, so vertical lines, this is your prime meridian. As we are having equator which divides into 2 parts, in the same way we are having prime meridian which divides vertically into 2 parts. Okay, 10 degree, 20 degree, this is your eastern part and this is your western longitudes. Okay, so the other things which we want to know, we should know rather, that is these 5 lines. Okay, equator we all know, we have already learned about it, okay, in our previous classes also. So equator is 0 degree equator which divides the earth into 2 equal parts. Then this is your northern part. Northern part is divided like 23.5 degree north is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees south we are having Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, 66.5 degree north we are having Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degrees south we are having Antarctic Circle. Okay, so we should know about these longitudes and latitudes. See, this is your globe. Okay, your earth, right? So these are your 0 degree latitudes. Okay, and these are your longitudes. Okay, latitudes and longitudes, right? So next is location. So India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The main land extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east, right? So this is your equator. This is the northern hemisphere. This here is your prime meridian. Okay, this is your eastern hemisphere, and your India is somewhere over here. Okay, and it is also divided into two parts. As the Tropic of Cancer, it crosses, it passes through India, and it divides it into two equal parts. Okay, so let's see. This is the map of India. See, these are your latitudes. Okay, these are your latitudes, and these vertical lines are your longitudes. These are your longitudes. Okay, see, this is your 8 degree. Okay, this is what? 8 degree. And if we talk about the latitudinal extent, it's 8 degree 4 minutes north. ठीक है, so northern hemisphere में है India. ठीक है, so it is like, see, this is your southern tip of India, 8 degrees. So it is 8 degree 4 minutes. So here we can say there is a gap. ठीक है, ये जो टिप है ये लाइन के साथ बिल्कुल नहीं जुड़ी है, इसके बीच में गैप है. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. So this is your 36 degrees. ठीक है, तो आपका ये लैटिट्यूड है, ये ध्यान रहे, तो ये ऐसे जाएगा. ओके, दिस इज़ योर 36 डिग्री. तो ये जो टिप है ये 36 डिग्री तक आ रहा है, बट वी आर हैव, दिस इज़ लाइक दिस टिप, इट विल गो लाइक 37 degrees 6 minutes नॉर्थ. ओके, ये हो गया आपका लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट. मीन्स यहाँ से लैटिट्यूड, ये आपके लैटिट्यूड से, ये देखो लैटिट्यूड से सारे. ठीक है, क्या है? लैटिट्यूड्स. ओके, और इसी तरह से है हमारा लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट. लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट क्या है? इट इज़ 68 degree 7 minutes ईस्ट. ये आपका 68 degree 7 minutes ईस्ट. ये आपका टिप यहाँ पे गुजरात का आएगा. ठीक है, 7 मिनट देखो पूरा टच नहीं हो रहा है ये लॉन्गिट्यूड को. ठीक है, तो ये आपका 68 degree 7 minutes ईस्ट है. टिल, ध्यान से देखिएगा, दिस इज़ योर 96 degrees and our extent is 97 degree 25 minutes east. मीन्स ये आपका जा रहा है एक योर लॉन्गिट्यूड. ठीक है, और 97 डिग्री यहाँ पे 97 डिग्री 25 minutes ईस्ट. ये हो गया आपका लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट ऑफ इंडिया. और यहाँ पे देखिए हमने पढ़ा था 23.5 डिग्री पे नॉर्थ पे है ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. ठीक है, ये 24 डिग्री है, तो इससे नीचे ये 23.5 डिग्री नॉर्थ, ये है आपका ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. ये जो पूरा लाइन जो है आपका, ये लाइन जो है दिस इज़ ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. और ये क्रॉस कहाँ कहाँ कर रही है आपकी? ये क्रॉस कर रही है गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड मिज़ोरम. ओके, सो सी दिस लाइन मीन्स दिस लैटिट्यूड. ओके, Tropic of Cancer. It is dividing India into two equal parts. Okay, northern part and southern part. Okay, next is the Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minutes north divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lies the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. So we are having here, this is your Bay of Bengal. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they lies in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands, they lies in the Arabian Sea. This is your eastern side. Okay, this is your eastern side. And this is your western side. So towards the eastern side of India, we are having Andaman Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal, and in the western side we are having Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea.